Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in।
पिछले 6 इयर्स में इन स्टार्स के बिजनेस ऑफ बॉलीवुड ने नई ऊंचाइयों को छुआ है। Deals have been struck, some serious money has been made, and it's now time for Zoom to chronicle all of this on Deal Street. So here goes. Making a grand entry on Deal Street number 6 is the youngest of our 6 appeal star, Imran Khan. Just 4 films old, this new hunk has already taken the advertisement industry by storm. In fact, पिछले 1 साल में ही इमरान, ऋतिक और अक्षय जैसे सुपरस्टार्स को रिप्लेस कर चुके हैं for international brands such as Coke and Levi's respectively. इमरान की ब्रांड वैल्यू बढ़कर अब हो चुकी है कूल 1 करोड़ रुपीस। बॉक्स ऑफिस पर भी इमरान की सक्सेस स्टोरी रही है काफी बैलेंस्ड। His 2 hits and 2 flops have so far made a cumulative net of over 164 crore. Cooling his heels at Deal Street number 5 is the cool Shahid Kapoor. Shahid's average brand value works out to over 1 crore 20 lakh rupees. हालांकि शाहिद बचपन से ही मॉडलिंग करते आए हैं, ऑफ लेट ही has been very selective when it comes to endorsements. पिछले 6 years में उन्होंने hardly 6 brands को endorse किया है, but he has done 16 films since 2004 that have collectively netted a cool 409 crore rupees at the box office. Following the success of Jab We Met in 2007, Shahid signed a 2-film deal with UTV that made him richer by over 5 crore. ये 2 फिल्में थी 2009 में रिलीज हुई कमीने, जिसने 46 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा का बिजनेस किया, और 2010 की सबसे बड़ी फ्लॉप्स में से एक चांस पे डांस दैट मेड अ लॉस ऑफ ओवर 10 करोड़. Sashaying down the Deal Street number 4 is the very stylish Deepika Padukone, who commands over 1.5 crore for a brand. From a perfect debut in Om Shanti Om to this date, Deepika has scaled the heights of superstardom in record time. फिल्मों में आने से पहले भी Deepika was a successful model, and thanks to her right choice of films, Deepika's brand value got a major fillip. Deepika की vast endorsement portfolio में शामिल है BSNL, Pepsi, Sony Cybershot, Neutrogena, Fiamma Devils, Tissot, Levi's and Nescafe जैसे कई leading brands.
He's just a regular guy. एक बैडमिंटन गेम के लिए तो पूछ ही सकती हूँ.
Clearly, Deepika's portrayal of a confident young woman in most of her films has made her an ideal choice for advertisers. इतना ही नहीं, debut से लेकर अब तक, Deepika has done 6 Bollywood films that have collectively netted over 320 crore rupees at the box office. स्ट्रीट नंबर 2 पर हैं द बोल्ड एंड बूटिलिशियस बेबो, जो खुद तो साइज 0 हैं, पर उनकी फीस में है बहुत सारे जीरोस. With over 10 brands, Kareena's endorsement fee works out to a mind-boggling 2 crore per brand on an average. Catch life. In the last 6 years, Kareena's growth as an actor and as a model has been slow and meticulous. जहाँ 6 साल पहले करीना के पास hardly कोई endorsements थे, वहीं आज करीना है the undisputed queen of commercials. TRPs पर नजर रखने वाली रिसर्च कंपनी टैन के AdX डेटा के मुताबिक करीना has a 45% share of celebrity endorsements on television during the year 2010. In fact, Kareena's brand appeal goes beyond geographical borders. साल की शुरुआत में पाकिस्तान के एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर ने करीना को 3 करोड़ में साइन कर लिया था एंड द न्यूज क्रिएटेड क्वाइट अ स्टर बैक होम। करीना और सैफ बॉलीवुड के सिलेक्ट पावर कपल्स में से एक हैं, जो कलेक्टिवली कमांड करते हैं ओवर 6.5 करोड़ रुपीस। इनफैक्ट पिछले 6 इयर्स में करीना ने कई क्रिटिकली और कमर्शियली अक्लेम फिल्म्स की हैं that have collectively churned out over 774 crore rupees. No wonder then that this blue-eyed girl has clinched multiple film deals worth 3.5 crore with leading production houses like Studio 18 and Shri Ashtavinayak Cinevision. Making a grand splash at Deal Street number 2 is Katrina Kaif. With a brand value of over 2 crore, Katrina strikes gold in whatever she does. But it wasn't always the case. तकरीबन 6 साल पहले जब कटरीना ने अपना फिल्मी सफर शुरू किया, तो it didn't really spell boom for her. But in a span of just 6 years, Katrina has risen through the ranks by giving one blockbuster after the other that have collectively made a staggering 832 crore rupees at the box office. और उनकी सक्सेस स्टोरी का सीधा इम्पैक्ट पड़ा उनकी ब्रांड वैल्यू पर। कटरीना इज द फेस ऑफ ओवर 12 लीडिंग ब्रांड्स एंड काउंटिंग। The Anjana Anjani of the year, but they are no strangers to big money. Rocking the number 1 spot on Deal Street this week, Priyanka and Ranbir have raced ahead of their contemporaries with the right mix of films, television and endorsement deals. प्रियंका ने पिछले 6 years में consistent hits दी हैं and today she is in the best phase of her career. Year 2007 में UTV signed a non-exclusive 3-film deal with Priyanka for a span of 4 years. This was quite unprecedented क्योंकि पहली बार एक एक्ट्रेस को किसी leading corporate ने साइन किया था to not just star in their film but also be involved in the creative brainstorming process of the films, including the shortlisting of scripts and genres. Her films have so far collected over 716 crore rupees at the box office. Meanwhile, the endorsement scene also kept hotting up for Priyanka, with a brand value of 2 crore and an endorsement portfolio ranging from beauty products to mobile phones and from accessories to two-wheelers. Piggy Chops sells it all. And she's even conquered the small screen. खतरों के खिलाड़ी सीजन 3 के लिए उन्हें मिल रहे हैं 60 lakhs per episode, the highest for any female anchor on Indian television. And if the show's success is anything to go by, then it's money well spent. Meanwhile, Priyanka's Anjana friend Ranbir's career is also going places with some of the biggest hits and biggest brand endorsements deals that this dude has signed in just last 2 years. रणबीर की पहली फिल्म सावरिया थी a major flop, but that was no dampener at all. He bounced back and how? Out of the 6 films he's done so far, 4 have been super hits, collecting over 264 crore rupees at the box office. Even when it comes to endorsements, Ranbir has some big deals to boast about. With fees of over 2.5 crore, he has some of the top brands in his kitty.
The all-new Viera.
In fact, he even became the face of Pepsi's Youngistan campaign. Well, Ranbir और प्रियंका अपने advertisers को देते हैं a guaranteed return on investments. So it's not strange when we say that this Anjana and Anjani are ruling the Deal Street.